Being set up.
I don't know what I'm holding on to this here. Oh, it's nice this. What's everyone up about? Here's so far.
It gets full Oscar. A lot. It gets a lot of Oscar.
Oh no. Oh no. I know why now already. Oh my god. Oh, it's painful.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, mate.
I can't. I actually can't keep up.
Fucking hell.
I actually can't.
Okay, yeah, I can understand why now. No! It's heavy rib cage! Oh! Oh! Good ride this, mate. Oh, it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Woo!
Finally.
That wasn't what was the surprise then? What was the surprise?
There's round 2.
What's with round 2? What is done? We're all right.
Exactly. Backwards now. Oh, great. I told you that was a round 2. I told you that was a round 2.
Oh, this isn't good. Oh. Oh. What? What did you say? Why did we do this one? Oscar, why did you let us do this? Oh, this will be good when it's done because it's killing me. Oh, this isn't good. Is it over, yeah? Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh, God. It got under my rib cage, that. Oscar, why did you not?
I told you.
Oh, that's bad. Did you pass out on that?
See, like, in my rib cage.
You passed out.